Hi guys, welcome back to the Taste to Share kitchen. Today, we're cooking a delicious and savory dish. Buttery garlic chicken wings. It's rich, flavorful, and super easy to make. Let's get started. First, grab your chicken wings. Cut the chicken wings into smaller pieces. Just find the joints where the bones meet and use a sharp knife to cut through it. Just slice between the joints and it should be easy. Let's marinate the chicken wings. Add 2 teaspoons of pepper. Add 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or adjust according to your preference. Then pour in 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Give it a good mix so the chicken is fully coated. After mixing, set it aside and let it soak up all that flavor while we get the next step ready. Now, heat some oil in your pan. Let's toast the whole garlic. No need to chop, just toast them until they turn light brown and smell amazing. Once they're nicely toasted, take them out of the pan and set them aside. We'll use them again later. Now, in the same pan, add the marinated chicken wings. Save the extra marinade, we'll need it soon. Let the chicken cook until it starts to brown a little on the outside. This helps lock in all the juices and gives the chicken a beautiful color. Once the chicken is slightly brown, add 3 tablespoons of cooking rice wine. This gives the dish a wonderful flavor. Let it cook for a minute or 2 to remove the strong smell. Now it's time to bring back that toasted garlic. Add it into the pan. Then pour in the leftover marinade that we set aside earlier. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce to make the sauce even richer and tastier. At this time, add 1 cup of water. Give everything a gentle stir and let it simmer. This will make the chicken wings super tender and soak them in all the delicious sauce. As the chicken cooks and the sauce gets thicker, add a tablespoon or 2 of butter. The butter melts into the sauce and makes it creamy, silky, and full of flavor. Finally, for a fresh, colorful finish, sprinkle some chopped onion leeks over the top. They add a nice crunch and a bit of a fresh onion flavor that balances the rich sauce perfectly. And there you have it. Buttery garlic chicken wings that are juicy, savory, and full of bold flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and tasty home-cooked meals. Check out our other videos and keep your kitchen inspired. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!